Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Good morning! Good morning everyone. So guys, busy talaga ako ang morning ko guys. So napawis-pawis pa talaga ako guys. Pawis-pawisan tayo early in the morning. So busy guys. Ayun. Busy talaga ayun. Busy ang Inday Joanne. So how's your morning guys? How's your day? I hope everyone have a good day. Everything is okay. So, kumusta kayong lahat guys? Ito pa ako guys, nagko-coffee pa ako. It's coffee time ko pa lang guys. Naku. Super, dark talaga ang coffee ko ngayon. So, yun. Nakabalot pa talaga. So, kumusta kayo guys? Mimi, come here. Yan, andito din si Miming guys. Here, beside me. You come here, Ming. You join? Ming, you come. You come. Ayun, si Miming guys. Ayun. Si Miming guys. Ayan. Come. Yeah, you stay na. Ayun, si Miming guys. Ayan. Here na, you stay na. Na. So, yun guys. Kumusta ang lahat? Let's have coffee pa guys. Tapos gutom na ako, mag-coffee pa talaga. Hindi na lang mag-breakfast na lang agad. So dadaan pa talaga sa coffee guys, no? Pwede naman mag-breakfast agad guys. Hindi talaga pwede ma-escape. You eat me? Pawisan ako guys kasi galing ako dun sa urban part. Ang busy ako. May in-order ako dun. So, nag-order ako dun ng guys. Order ako ng drinks. Ayun, so busy talaga ang daily ko talaga guys, mga routine. May mga schedule talaga kung saan ako. This day, di na naman. Ganun talaga guys. So, kumusta kayo dyan guys? I hope you have a good morning. You feel good. And feel fresh. Maaga na tayo nakaligo guys. Ayun, natuyo na. Kabisi ko guys. Ayun. Oh, yun. Nakaligo na rin tayo guys. Feel fresh na tayo. So, it's time to coffee na talaga. Then breakfast. Yun lang. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day and good day everyone.